In this episode, Day 10. Big chunky gravel climbs, feather quiz, racing through Kolapore, and trying to survive, hike-a-bites, and more climbing.
Duct tape will save the day again. On s'est ramassé une bonne petite récolte. Very refreshing. The hike-a-bike continues. So we just left Lila's Villa Inn. Really strongly recommended on the BT. Got an early start this morning. We left the hotel around 7:40 this morning. We have a lot of climbs in front of us, and it's supposed to be another hot one.
So I'll tell you a secret this morning. Lila's Villa Inn. That was the hotel we spent the night in Flesherton yesterday. Fantastic, marvelous rooms, breakfast included, for the price of a cheap motel. And it's just beside the BT700. You can't miss it. You must not miss it. Great place. The best part of any day on the trail is the morning. That brief moment of calm before the world wakes up. The air is cool and carries the sense of a forest stretching into a new day. A light mist hangs beneath a quiet sky, catching the first rays of sunlight. After a good night's sleep, the legs feel fresh, the bikes feel light, the spirits are high, and with every pedal stroke, the energy starts to build. For a brief, glorious moment, everything feels easy. It's amazing what 8 hours of sleep and a complete ignorance of what's ahead can do. And then your GPS starts suggesting life choices you immediately regret.
What time is it? It's hike-a-bike time. Yeah, no way we're making it up this all wet. So after leaving the rugged hike-a-bike, we did a lot of ups and downs on some farm roads with big gravel. And now we're at Kolapore, Grey County Managed Forest, and we're gonna do some single track. We'll see if we're able. Everything should be wet from the storm yesterday.
I'll try not to pinch a tire this time. This is a ride for mountain bike with no gear on it. I was getting cocky. I thought I found an eagle feather, but guess what? It's not the eagle feather, it's a grouse feather. The special thing about the BT700 is that whenever there is a choice of road, it's easy, you pick the most difficult one. So here, if you look in front of me, which one you should pick? The one on the left, of course. Great pine, red pine tree. Wow. No. We just arrived at the Red Vet connector. So what I said earlier was wrong. When there's a branching of routes, you will not always take the hardest one. This time it's the left one, which is the easiest, of course. Oh wow. It's a maple grove here. Nothing too shabby. Hey Dean. Do you have enough for your money? With the bugs, with the hikes, with the hike bikes, and all the climbs and the descent?
In the mud? Yep, I'm all buttered Tart out.
That's good. C'est en face. Une trail.
On va dire. So we just finished up the first part in the woods of Singletrack. There were really a lot of big mosquitoes. So we're just taking a little lunch break on a big tube we found here in the middle of the forest. So we just made it to Bowering Lodge, a classic pit stop on the BT. Met the owner, really nice, had cold drinks for us in the fridge. You can just give like a donation, and we could fill up our water bottles, which is really nice after another grueling day on the BT. We just finished like the single track section in the mud, and a few climbs too in the heat, so we're gonna take a little rest here.
Monter en avant 125 mètres. Lorraine est en arrière de moi, puis quand elle va voir ça affiché sur son GPS, elle va être en tabarnouche. No worries. because I have my goose feather and I feel so much lighter. 125 mètres de dénivellation, check. 15 heures l'après-midi, check. 95% d'humidité, check. 36 degrés Celsius avec le facteur humidex, check. Puis comme dirait mon plus vieux, woo! So I just found a goose nest beside the road. I'm not gonna disturb it, but look at that. Goose eggs. That's pretty interesting, pretty funny. So, turkey. I guess it's turkey. Turkey eggs. Il n'y a plus de place pour les sourires. On the BT700, expect to suffer and also expect to have fun. And depending on your personality, you're gonna remember one more than the other. No exit signs are especially popular on the BT700. That's the way we're going. Margaret Paul side trail. Put the brakes on.
So when he says a steep rocky downhill, it's a steep downhill. More technical than anything. But as you can see, these are not easy rocks.
Have I told you about the climbs on the BT700? There is one here, 11%.
So it's the end of day 11 on the BT. We're at North Winds in Collingwood having supper. And we just realized that tomorrow we have the biggest climb of the whole trip. We have to climb up Blue Mountain. So we have a climb over 300 meters. So on a few kilometers maybe max to make it to Creemore.
In the next episode, fueling on fresh carts, the road to Blue Mountain, hitting a wall or making it through. Having lunch with a dead snake and the biggest climb so far. Getting closer? The GPS says yes and the road says no. We roll into Creemore, but exactly how and at what time is still up for debate. So join us for the last crumb.